Okay, on this example for structures, I'm taking this example right out of the GR3 review packet that Colonel Wilson posted in her folder on the K drive. So we're talking about structures here, and the structure section of your equation sheet is the bottom left on the very back. Bottom left on the very back. So we're told here that a cube satellite has 0.3 meters per side and a total mass of 520 kilograms. And we have a stiffness of 3 times 10 to the 7 Newton meters. So that's our K value, our spring constant. So we have here that K is equal to 3 times 10 to the 7 Newton meters, or I'm sorry, newtons per meter. And a Newton, the unit Newton, is also equal to a kilogram meter per second squared. So that means that my K value is 3 times 10 to the 7 kilogram meters per second squared per meter. So I can get rid of my meters. Okay, so the equation that I want to use here is to find the fundamental frequency. So the fundamental frequency is equal to 1 over 2 pi times the square root of K, my spring constant, over my total mass. So that's 1 over 2 pi. K I have here is 3 times 10 to the 7 kilograms per second squared. 3 times 10 to the 7 kilograms per second squared over my total mass of 520 kilograms. My kilograms will cancel. My square will go away with the square root, but I still have seconds in the denominator. So that will leave me with 38.2278 seconds in the denominator. Now recall, a hertz is a second in the denominator. Hertz means per second. So keeping this in mind, I'm left with 38.2278 hertz. That's my fundamental frequency. Now the second part of this question says that the SquareSat is scheduled to launch on a Falcon 9 rocket with a maximum vibration frequency of 35 hertz. Should the SquareSat use the Falcon 9 rocket? Why or why not? So the launch vehicle has an Fmax of 35 hertz. The SquareSat has a fundamental frequency of 38.2278 hertz. Fmax is less than the fundamental frequency, which is what we want. Sure. Use this launch vehicle. If the fundamental frequency were less than Fmax, we would not want to use this launch vehicle because we want to avoid reaching our fundamental frequency.